a lot of books, listen various videos which are in English. So you learn English very well or you understand it very nicely. But when it comes to speaking, your mind goes blank. Is this problem with you also? So hello and welcome back, my dear friends. This is Pragati with you all with day 11 of my English learning journey. Yes, my dear friends, here I am with the problem that your mind also goes blank while speaking English. Then this is due to so many reasons. Yes, fear of making mistake is one of the basic reason which for which our mind goes blank. What if I say wrong English, people will laugh at me. There are reason which includes in fear of mistakes, and there may be the reason that understanding it but not getting a good translation to speak. This is because we first convert our native language into English. The third is fear of grammar. Yes, of course, grammar create a lot of issue, but these there are several other regions. But my dear friends, please always remember one thing: fluency comes from practice, not your knowledge. Knowledge basically comes from your understanding of English, and understanding the English is passive skill, or you can say passive activity. But speaking is active activity, so then we have to start speaking first whatever we know. Don't overthink, because overthink creates only silence, and silence is basically an enemy. So right now I came to my college. Yes, I rest a while. Then I started my speaking practice because I think I should consistent, as I said in my earlier videos that why I consistent. There are several reasons for my consistency. Then I sometime I thought that I should take more time as rest, but this is my favorite activity, so it is also in rest. So after taking some time as my rest time, then I come back, and there are a lot of voice. Even your voice also sometimes discourages you, but what if you stop? So hey, my dear friend, don't focus on your negative voice. Always focus on positive activity, whatever you can see. And remember one thing, that don't try to survive only. Please enjoy the every moment, and it will happen only when you make it out. Take the time out, make small effort. So these are some important things. Yes, whatever I'm saying here, it's my personal opinion. And don't think that you are different. Everyone has same situation, everyone is struggling in their life, everyone having shortage in their life. But the basic difference between our lives is the mindset. Yes, my dear friends, everyone's situation is same. We all feel sometimes alone, or whatever you can say, that we all are struggling in our life in different manners. But the basic things which differs you and makes you happy is your mindset. So please positive with your mindset, and do whatever makes you happy in your life and upgrades you. Upgrade yourself, make little effort every day, so that you can keep changing yourself. I'm not saying just to keep you change yourself. I'm saying only please upgrade yourself, because upgrading is very much necessary. Make your value. If you make your value, then other people, you will also make your value. So this is for day 11, and hope, my dear friends, you learned something new, you related with me, my words. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and let's grow together. Take care. Bye bye.